Best money management tips for 2022 budget, and track your money. Thousandaire Club. Managing money is an essential part of life that you must take crucial. If not, you will end up becoming a pauper and wallowing in debts. Money goes faster than it comes. This makes it important to limit the ways and rate at which it leaves your hand. If the rate at which money enters your hand is equal to the rate at which it leaves you, then your financial growth will be stagnated. On the other hand, if money leaves your hand faster than it enters your hand, then you are heading to bankruptcy. Finally, if you must experience financial freedom, then your income must be greater than your expenditure. In this video, we will be taking a look at some best money management tips that will help you attain financial freedom in this new year, 2022. We shall also be taking a look at how to budget and track your finance properly in a way that will make you financially responsible and productive. But before we dive right into this video, please ensure that you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell so that you will be informed whenever a new video is uploaded. Now, without any further ado, let's check out these best money management tips that will not only make you a millionaire but also sustain you as one. They are: Number 150/30/20 Budgeting Rule. This is an excellent way to budget your finance. You budget 50% of your income for your basic needs, 30% for your wants, while 20% suffices for your savings. This might not seem to be an excellent strategy, but can get you to your financial destination at the same time meeting the need for necessities and resources in your life. You must do this calculation after you must have removed your tax from your income. The 50% represent daily regular need that you cannot do without, like groceries, housing/rent, health insurance, utility bills like electricity. The other 30% represents your wants, which may be shopping, recreation, dining, and sponsoring your hobbies. Finally, the last 20% of your income should go to savings, debts, and emergencies. Number 2. Reduce your subscription TV/others. You should discipline yourself and cut down on your subscription, especially your cable subscription. There is no need to go for a premium subscription when subscribing to a regular package will allow you to cultivate a healthy saving habit. Go for a package with fewer selected stations that are extremely important and you can't do without, frequencies that are beneficial to your well-being and relaxation, and then save the extra change you could have used to key into a higher package. These extra changes will go a long way in helping you stock the house for groceries, and the money originally kept for your groceries could be accumulated to buy an asset or invest in useful ventures that bring income return. Number 3. Review and reduce your bills. Find the lowest cost provider at the same time not compromising quality. If your bills are really high, then it is time to consider going for an alternative provider who will deliver optimum service at a reasonable, considerable, and affordable price. Using this strategy will help you to save a lot of money, which you can then use for investment or simply have as part of your emergency funds. You should look into services like your electricity, water supply, waste management/trash collection, gardening, pet inspection and veterinary, and many more, and adjust to a lesser package of theirs or completely change to an alternative provider. Number 4. Keep your financial goals handy. When you see your goals regularly, it gives you a sense of commitment and dedication, and you become mindful of them always and make them a priority. You can put it in your wallet. This will make you conscious of your spending habits. Number 5. Draft out from highest to lowest interest rate debts. You can do this by arranging your scale of preference of all debt that you owe, including loans. This must be done in a way that you handle those debts with higher interest first and concentrate on repaying them. Then once that is done, you can now go to the next until you are done paying all your debts. Number 6. Plan ahead with bonus checks. Have a plan even before a bonus check or extra cash comes in, and direct it to your greatest area of cash attention-seeking projects. There are times when you are rewarded or gifted with monetary compensations based on either your hard work or even an appreciation for a favor that you render to a friend or someone. These are not the times to think about meeting an extra want or desire. Rather, build a habit of drafting a crucial project beforehand, and then when this extra cash comes, invest it immediately into this project that is already waiting. This is the best way you can become accountable for this fund and be actually responsible. If you fail to do this, you will later regret it when you are unable to explain how you ended up spending the money wastefully. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell so that you will be informed each time a new video is uploaded. You can also leave a comment. Thank you for watching.